Hey there guys, well it's me, Alligator648. This is my first ever video. Well, I'm gonna show you guys the PRO412 and the Chicago typewriter. Let's test it out on this guy. Alright, oh, he's coming with us. And yeah, let's stun him like a flash grenade would. And you could do this like a million times because this is an infinite gun. But the best part is when you charge it up and then shoot them and it wipes out all the plagas in their bodies. Yeah, so it's pretty good when you fight like Dr. Salvador or the Regenerators. Alright, jump out that window and let's get out our Chicago typewriter. Alright, let's test it out on these guys. Shoot like a maniac. And they're all dead. And let's shoot that box. Oh, that box always gives me nothing. Alright, so yeah, they're all dead. Jump over that thing. Now let's go back to our Spanish cops. Let me just reload the gun. Even though I don't have to. Let's see our Spanish cops. Oh. Uh-oh. That's not good. Alright, let's see what happened to them. And supposedly they got pushed off that cliff. Let's just go. They're Spanish cops / comedians. Yeah. Alright, over here we have a little cabin. Let's knife the little boxes. An herb, ammo, and money. Yeah, money. And there's a typewriter, but we're not gonna save yet. There's a crow. Shoot this one. Forget the other one, because that crow has a grenade. That's very interesting. Alright, help out this dog, because in your first fight against El Gigante, the ginormous monster thing, that dog will help you out a lot. Alright, let's just run through the area. And be careful here. There are some explosives. Shoot them. Now it's free to run through the area and kill that guy. Yeah, he gives us nothing. Oh, I was wrong. He gave us money. Usually when I kill that guy, he gives us, well, nothing. Alright, there's nothing special in that cabin. I'll tell you guys what's in there later. Let's use our PRO now. They spotted me, but they're too lazy to come, so let's kill them. Alright, what's in that cabin is nothing special. Just ammo and a dead body. Nothing special. Yeah. And yeah, there's a guy in here and he's gonna walk toward us. Let's get ready. Yeah, there we go. Get that. Get the ammo. And knife it. The only problem with the PRL is that it could only kill plagas. So you can't just beat the game with this gun. You're gonna, need like a pistol or something. Cause sooner or later you have to shoot like chains or something. Alright, here we are at the village, but be careful cause this part will get extremely difficult because there are a lot of people. It stunned that guy and kick. Yeah. And he threw that thing at us, but he missed horribly. Kick. Oh, I stunned him too. Kick. Alright, let's go kill Dr. Salvador, the big bad chainsaw maniac. Oh, there he is, running at us with his big old chainsaw. Let's kill him. Yeah. It's that easy. Dr. Salvador is really not that hard. Especially that one, since you could kill him with an ordinary handgun. Oh, I kicked his head right off. Kick. And let's charge this baby up. Oh, I got 3 people. Wow. Alright, round 2. Let's get ready. Let's kill that guy. Doom. Yeah, got him. Stun you. And, ooh, kicked your head off. Stun. And let's charge it up. Yeah, and he's dead. Alright, let's get out our Chicago typewriter and let's start shooting like maniacs. Yeah, let's do that. Ooh, headshots. That's another thing I like about this game. The headshots, they're completely brutal. It just, their heads just blow up. Yeah, well, missed, and I got her. And no one there. Oh, there's a guy. Ooh, shot his head off. Oh, is that everyone? Oh, come on, I want to kill some more. Shoot the door. Yeah. Oh, there's a guy. Oh, I meant to shoot for his head. Oh, I got her head from far away. And this is pretty much it. I might see you guys later in another video. Who knows? Later, guys.